Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I heard that there are a lot of companies currently going through performance review cycles, and I know that there are always a lot of people changing jobs and negotiating offers. So today I want to talk about something exciting, that is money and how much UX designers make. I'm going to share my offers and salary data of the market to help you gain the confidence and insights to get the right pay. I interviewed in the winter of 2021, so the data I've collected are very up-to-date. Also, in a lot of one-on-one offer negotiation coaching sessions, mentees share their numbers with me, and I have consolidated all data I've gathered from different resources to create this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Soy, and I'm a UX designer at Google. On my channel, I am dedicated to all things about UX job interviews and product design. So if you like this content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am also offering one-on-one career coaching. So if you want to get more interview advice, do mock interviews, or just talk about career development in general, please check out the link in the description box down below and sign up for a session. Okay, let's get to the real meat of this video. You click on this video because you're curious about how much money I make and how much money other UX designers make. You might also want to learn about whether or not you are getting a fair pay and how to negotiate your salary. I understand that to many of us, it might be sensitive to talk about salaries because it is very personal and private. People shy away from talking about numbers, especially in the working settings, because if you talk about numbers and your coworker discover that you are paid more than they are, it could lead to instant animosity and strained relationship, and that could make for a very unpleasant working experience. Even just discussing salaries with your friends, you will risk having your friends see you or treat you differently, or vice versa. For me, before making this video, I had a lot of concerns about whether people would judge me, but then I realized that any public videos are open for judgment. If the benefits of watching this video outweigh the negative effects, I do see the value of sharing these type of content with people to help them ask for the salary they deserve. I want to make this video because pay transparency is so important to all of us. It essentially eliminates the issue of unequal pay. Knowledge is power. No matter you're pivoting your career, doing a performance review with your team, or breaking into the market, the more you know, the better you're equipped to understand your worth and negotiate your salary. So today I'm going to cover these topics: factors influencing pay, salary structure, average salary for different job levels starting from interns. There are 4 factors influencing pay. Number 1 is education and years of experience. It is common knowledge that having a degree or qualifications that is relevant to your profession can positively impact your salary potential. However, having experience could be equally as beneficial. Typically, experience is one of the most prominent factors, and more experience results in higher pay. So if you're not earning a lot in your early career, don't worry, you will get there. Number 2, location. In today's global economy, a lot of companies are adjusting their compensation structure to account for local cost of living and local wages for similar jobs. When it comes to high pay, tech cities come out on top, even accounting for the high cost of living. According to Ideate Labs, the highest paid cities for UX and UI designers in 2021 were San Francisco, Seattle, Boston, New York, and Austin. I remember before my graduation, I received 2 offers from companies based in 2 different cities. One was based in Seattle and the other one was based in Bay Area. The numbers in the 2 offers had a huge difference, but accounting for local cost of living in different cities, actually the 2 numbers were not too bad. Number 3, ability to pay. A lot of people associate companies' ability to pay with their company sizes, while in a lot of cases, bigger companies are capable to provide better benefits and compensation. I have seen a lot of smaller companies offer excellent career opportunity and pay. Startups usually grant employees a fairly good amount of stock options because startups didn't have much cash and couldn't compete with large companies in compensation stability. Stock options promised to potential employees were like offering a lottery ticket to make them into millionaires when someday the stock options were vesting. But the downside might be the sacrifice of work-life balance and the unpredictability of the company's future. Startups face a lot of risk surviving in the market, and according to data, 90% of them shut down eventually. So in summary, companies in different sizes could offer satisfying compensation in different ways, comes with different risks. Number 4, the market. Salaries are impacted by market factors like the demand, which is the availability of this job in the market, and the supply, which is the number of candidates applying for this job. Inflation in the pandemic also results in increasing cost of living, so many companies are building their salary adjustment into their compensation structure to offset these effects on their employees. A UX designer's total compensation consists of a base salary, equity, bonuses, and benefits. A base salary is the money you are paid every pay period. Usually, it is a little bit hard to negotiate your base salary with companies because every job level has a fixed range for it. There are 2 types of bonuses. One is a sign-on bonus, which is a one-time bonus usually paid out on the day you start. It might come with the clause that if you leave the company within a year, you must pay back a proportional sum of the bonus. The second type of bonus is an annual bonus. It is a percentage bonus on top of your base salary based on your performance. The recruiter will likely quote you a target bonus, for example 15%, which is what you can expect if you meet expectations. Equity is usually stocks or options granted by companies, typically restricted stock units at public companies, options at younger companies. Different companies have different vesting schedules. Most companies have a 4-year vesting with a 1-year cliff. The cliff means that you can only receive the percentage of your RSUs stated in your offer letter at the end of year 1, but different companies have different cliffs. After the first year anniversary, vesting could happen monthly, quarterly, or semi-annually thereafter. Employee benefits include various types of non-wage compensation provided to employees in addition to normal salaries. Here are some examples of employee benefits in the United States. Health insurance like medical, dental, and vision, etc. Paid time off such as sick days and vacation days, retirement benefits for 1K, free meals, and life insurance for yourself and your family. Although these benefits are non-wage, trust me, they are so important because they are going to save a ton of money. For example, seeing a doctor without insurance is typically between $300 and $600. But if your company could cover part of the medical expenses, depending on the insurance plan, typical co-pays for a visit to a primary care physician range from $25 to $50. Okay, let's talk about how much money UX designers make at different job levels. I feel the need to break it down by job levels because, like I mentioned earlier in this video, more experience results in higher pay. Work experience is the deciding factors in salaries. Let's start with interns. Here's the internship offer I received back in 2016. This offer was extended by a big tech company based in St. Louis, Missouri, and they employed me to work as a front-end engineering intern. This position offers an hourly rate of $24. Based on my hourly rate of pay, my annual salary before lawful deductions will be over $40,000. Also, they gave me a one-time sign-on bonus of $5,000. At the time, since I had never earned such amount of money, I was like, that was so exciting. So that was my internship salary back in 2016. What about in 2020? How much can a UX design intern make in the San Francisco Bay Area? According to ZipRecruiter, as of February 26, 2022, the average annual pay for a UX design intern in San Francisco is over $87K a year. Just in case you need a simple salary calculator, that works out to be approximately $40 per hour. The average UX design intern salary by state are over $84K annual salary in Massachusetts, over $81K annual salary in Washington, over $81K annual salary in New York, and over $66 annual salary in Texas. And Missouri UX interns now earn over $66 per year, which is way more than how much I earned back in 2016. I am so jealous. How much does a entry-level or junior-level UX designer earn? Here are the two offers I received for my first full-time job back in 2017. Both of the companies that extended me offers were big tech companies. In one of the offers, I would receive an annual base salary of over 67K, year 1 sign-on payment of over 10K, year 2 sign-on payment of over 9,000, and 41 shares of restricted stocks, vesting 5% on my year 1 anniversary, 15% on my year 2 anniversary, and 20% every 6 months thereafter until my 4-year anniversary. So year 1 estimated compensation was over 78K. In the other offer, my annual base salary would be over 117K. My bonus target will be 15% of my base salary, a one-time relocation bonus of 5K, and 50K RSUs vesting in 4 years. That was 5 years ago. Let's take a look at how much entry-level UX designers are making today. According to Glassdoor, the total compensation, including base salary, equity, and bonuses, is over $126 per year on average for entry-level UX designers in San Francisco Bay Area. In states outside of California, the average annual total compensation are over $89K in Massachusetts, over $119K in Washington, over $91K in New York, and over $74K in Texas. After working as a junior UX designer for at least 2 to 3 years, you might transition to a mid-level UX designer. I made a career switch a few years ago, and at the time, a few companies would like to hire me as a mid-level UX designer. In the offers I got, the base salaries range from 140K to 150K. The average total compensation for a mid-level UX designer in the Bay Area is around 140K. And then after working for 5 to 7 years, you might move up to a senior level role. Some people might get promoted faster and become senior designers in less than 5 years. In the Bay Area, the total compensation for a senior UX designer on average is over 175K, and I know a lot of senior designers whose total compensation is above 200K. Okay, this is what I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumb up if you think this is helpful for you. I hope this video equips you with the knowledge you need to negotiate the right salary you deserve. If you have any questions or any topics you are interested in, please feel free to comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.